Night markets. They're everywhere. Night markets are perhaps the best expression of Taiwan's local food culture. Chinese in its origin, but totally unique to this place. In this city alone, there are 30 such markets, each brimming with a certain energy. Locals perusing the hundreds of stalls for whatever they're craving that night. And you don't have to choose just one stall. Choose 5 or 10. Wander, sample, mingle. Wow, that is a long line. I hope it's worth it. We landed in Taiwan last night, and let me tell you, there is nothing I love more than 14 hours on a plane with a 3-year-old. We're gonna go to one of the city's oldest night markets tonight, which I've been told is a can't-miss food opportunity. Before that, we're gonna explore the city, starting with some scallion pancakes. So first of all, scallion pancakes are savory. They're pan-fried dough that are served with a bunch of different sauces and toppings, like ham, cheese, egg, basil. They first flatten the dough, throw it onto the skillet, and then they start to smack it around with their spatula to puff it up to create a light and fluffy, almost pastry-like texture. So good. These look amazing. It's almost between like a pastry and naan. Henry's too hungry. This is real trouble with kids. For you, Mr. Man. The scallion pancakes are a must-try. They're almost like a breakfast sandwich meets a croissant meets chapati.
Meets heaven.
Meets heaven.
Meets heaven. I mean, it's so good.
We have about 4 hours till nightfall, so we're gonna go explore the city. If you're in Taiwan, you have to wander through the Longshan Temple. Showered with ornamental design and symbolism, the temple is bustling with both tourists and locals alike. We're here at the night market and it is so busy. There's so much to see. There are 2 things that I know that I want to try. One is stinky tofu. I'm not really sure that I want to try it, but I was told that I should, so I'm going to, okay? Okay. The other is the pork pepper bun. This was mentioned in the Taipei Eater Guide as one of the top foods to try. The queues are super, super long, so that has to mean something. I'm really, really excited to eat it finally. This is unlike anything I've ever seen. It is super, super busy. There's so many options. We have to be strategic.
Quail eggs.
Give me those. I actually have never had a quail egg. This is a first. Cheers. Wow, that is really good. Really creamy inside. It's not like, it's just undercooked enough, the yolk. And then it has that crispy outer and the really flavorful seasoning and sauce. Yum. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, the stinky tofu. The smell is extreme. There's flavors that like if you grow up to, they're acquired tastes, like cheese and fermented foods, and stinky tofu I think is one of those. I don't hate it. It's actually really good if I don't think about the smell, but if I start to think about the smell as I'm eating it, the struggle is very real. The texture is really good. It's crispy on the outside and really like chewy on the inside. And it has this pickled cabbage, which goes really nicely with it. It's not my favorite only because I have to keep my mind very focused on not thinking about the smell. But I'm very surprised by how much I do like it. I wouldn't have expected that. This is pure organized chaos. It is so chaotic, but like there's this energy that is just so fun.
It's amazing. Here we have what I think are some of the most beautiful buns I've ever seen. That preparation was insane.
Here goes it. That is so good. So we've made it through almost all of the market, and I have to say, like, the overwhelmingness of so many good options is just part of the experience. We're gonna finish off with the pork pepper bun, which I've been waiting all day to try. I read about it in the Eater Guide, and I think I've just been dreaming about it since, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be dreaming about it after. The pork pepper bun is made with minced pork, green onions, black pepper, and what they say is their secret blend of spices. It's then wrapped in dough, thrown into a tandoor-style oven, and cooked until golden brown. Hi. Thank you. Oh, I'm so excited! Really good. Really peppery. The meat has like a sweet, salty, and then the crust is like crispy, but then really nice and chewy on the inside. You can see how it's like nice and charred on the bottom. It has that good crunch, but then also the chewiness of like a bun. That is incredibly flavorful and really delicious. I am 100% sold on the night market thing. I wish we had them at home, but I guess it just means I'm gonna have to come back. Make sure to tune in to next week's episode where we explore one of Taiwan's most loved, most common dishes, beef noodle.